Welcome to another podcast of the Indian Football Hour, where we dive deep into the heart of the beautiful game in India. I am your host Pavel Ghosh, and joining me today is Pawan Shah. How are you doing today?
I am doing great, Pavel. Excited to talk about all the Indian football with you.
Absolutely. So let's kick things off by discussing the recent performance of the Indian national team. How do you think they have been shaping up?
Well, it's been a mixed bag, hasn't it? There have been some promising performances, but inconsistency still seems to be a major issue.
Definitely. It seems like we have the talent, but perhaps the organization and coaching needs some refinement.
Agreed. And speaking of coaching, what are your thoughts on the current state of coaching and development programs in Indian football?
It's clear that there has been progress, especially with the establishment of academics and grassroots initiatives. But there's still a long way to go to reach international standards.
Absolutely. We need to focus on nurturing young talent and providing them with the right resources and opportunities to excel.
Couldn't agree more. Now shifting gears a bit, let's talk about the Indian Super League and the I League. How do you see these leagues evolving into the coming years?
Well, the ISL has certainly gained traction and brought more attention to Indian football, but we shouldn't forget about the I-League, which has its own rich history and significance.
That's true. It's important to strike a balance between the two leagues and ensure that they have both contribute to the growth and development of Indian football.
Absolutely. And with no more investment and strategic planning, I believe both leagues can continue to elevate the sport in our country.
Well said. Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for joining me on Shah, and thank you to our listener for tuning into the Indian Football Hour. Until next time, keep kicking. Thank you.
Thank you.